What's going on here?
So having a lazy Sunday at home. Thought we'd make a new invention. It's the box pram. Box pram. Get out of my way, I'm coming through. Woohoo! Is that fun or what? Let's go.
Whoa!
You said you wanted some danger in your life. Here it is. Let's go.
Whoa! What do we think of that, Amelia?
No time to stop. We got places to be. I think we need some more appropriate music than that.
Yes.
Time to chuck on the heavy metal.
Yeah. Mommy turned an ordinary box into a world of fun.
Ready? Circle pit. Oh no.